In this video, we're going to look at tables. Tables are often used to display data in a spreadsheet-like manner. Think about when you're on an e-commerce website and you're looking at a product description. This information is likely arranged within a table. Essentially, whenever you want data to be displayed in a row-column architecture, maybe with some headers for each column, tables are what you want to use. Let's look at an example where we will create a table to compare different computer models. To begin, we want to use the table element to house all the table data. We will build our table in rows, and the first row will include the headers for the data stored in each individual column. So we'll use the table row element to house the headers for the first row. Within the table row element, let's create 5 table header elements. The first table header element will include model, the second will include processor, the third will include RAM, the fourth will include storage, and the last will include price. Now that the headers are out of the way, we can include the first row of data. We'll create another table row element, and within it we will use a table data element to first write the model of the first computer we're adding to the table. I use a made up name here for time's sake, and now the next table data element will include the processor, and so on until we have 5 different table data elements in the second table row element, each with data that corresponds to the table header of the column. I can then copy this a couple more times and change the data to represent different computers. After saving this, I'll click the first website file to open up the web page in a browser, and we can see we have a table with some data that even without any styling is displayed in an organized fashion.